Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I will speak about Python and matplotlib. This is the last part, it's part number 3, and if you have questions please make them in the comments fields below, and of course remember to subscribe my channel in the right corner with the thing. Thank you. So let's continue. If you've seen my 2 other videos, you know we are loading inside the FIFA data from fifa19. And then we have a data here we need to work with. My idea here in this video is to complete it and show how you can combine it to showing the age with the main and the maximum and the minimum age from every top 10 nations that have most player. So first we need to import numpy as np, and then next, and we're just going down here and we have here. So when we're coming down here we need to say age max should be the top 10 player, and inside here we want the age max, and we need all the values because we need this in a list. I will print it out here so you can see what happened here. And the same we need to do with the minimum age. We change it here. You see now we have the minimum age, and then we need the mean, sorry, and then we come in here and say mean. What you will see very fast here, we have very many dots. So what we need here is say round to and then values. The first we're doing is taking all the values here and round it to 2 decimal, and then we return the values after. It will look like this. So now we have cleaned up the data here, and the last thing we need, it will be the nations we need. So let's go in here, say nationality, and we're going for the next here, say nationality 2, and we don't need the round, but we need apply because I can show you that why. You can see we have England, Germany, Spain, and something like that. And what we wish is to take the first 3 characters of every nations and then return it. So I will use an apply and take the values after. So I will use a lambda and say the input should be x, and the x you should take the 3 first characters and then return it. It will look like this. So now we have a list with the maximum age, the minimum age, the mean age, and then the nationality with the 3 characters. So why we import numpy up here? It's because we need to convert it to a numpy array. I will show you that here. When we have an in, we'll say np arrange. It's a range, and then we need to say how many did we have, and we just take from the age maximum, and then I will print it down here. If we can, yes, we say 0 to 9, so that's perfect. And the width, when we build the matplot, I think 0.20 is perfect because we need 3 bars when we show the maximum, the mean, and then the minimum. So that's fine. And down here we need to build a fig and ax, because we say equal to a subplot. Okay, I have a spelling error here. Then we go. Then you can see we have a blank subplot here, and the first we want to do is we call result 1, result max. Let's call it that so we know what we are doing. And then we take the first one in the X and we say the input should be minus the width. That's where we want to place it. So it could be 0 minus 0.2, and the next will be 1 minus, and yeah, that's how we're doing here. And then we need the age maximum and the width, how big it is, and then the label, so we can show the label. I think it should be minimum, maximum, age here, that's fine. And if we do it this way, that's perfect. And the next one we need 2 more, and I will say mean here, and I'll use the minimum, and mean and main. Yes, okay, and I will say plus width. I'm scrolling a little bit up so we don't do anything wrong here. Minimum here, and everything should be fine. It is, yes. Now we need to set x tickets. It should be ax.set x tickets, and this is the interval we have with the in, should be 10. See it here, that's perfect. And the next one should be ax, and then set the ticket x tickets labels, and we use the nationality ops here, and then we need to see what's happening here. So that's perfect. And let's say what happened if we say legend, then we should show it, and PLT show. Okay, that's very weird. I think we need to isolate it a little bit. No. That's out of my mind here. I think we need to move those up here. Normally you can just say PLT show and then it's showing up. But we have confirmed everything is right, so we can move it up here. And move this. And then we go. I'll cut this out. So that's how we're working with the matplotlib, and how we can build 3 bars. You can see around 45, and then down to 24.5, and then down here. So that's how we're doing it, and I hope you enjoy my small video parts about matplotlib, and and how we can work with pandas, loading your CSV file inside, convert it to a matplotlib, so we can showing the data out. Thank you so much, and I hope it's very useful for you. And if you have any questions, please make comments below. I hope you want to subscribe my channel in the right corner on the thing. And of course, I hope you want to give it a like and share it with your friends. And I hope you want to see you next time. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for your subscription. See ya.